Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be going to another open house. The address is 4527 East Rose Hill Drive, LA 90032. If you're wondering where this home is located, the neighborhood is Northeast LA, El Sereno, and it's up in the hills of El Sereno. It's in between Lincoln Heights, Montecito Heights, and Highland Park. A lot of people are interested. There was several people looking at the homes, talking about moving out of Highland Park. So if you're not familiar with this area and you want to know more about this area, I was born and raised in Northeast LA, El Sereno. My grandma actually used to live a few minutes away from here in the Rose Hills projects. So if you're driving from LAX, it's about a 34-minute drive today. So depending on traffic, it could change. So this is living in Northeast LA with Victoria Munoz. I'm a vlogger, realtor, and Compass real estate agent. Today's drive starts on Huntington Drive, and we will be taking Huntington to Topaz Street. It was a really easy home to find. Just follow the directions and you'll be there in no time. Alright, so today's home was built in 1915. It's a California bungalow style home. So today we took our pet. The streets, I don't know if there's street parking. I don't believe so. So there is enough parking for 2 cars. I love the landscaping here. It's very low maintenance and beautiful to look at. So this home is 648 square feet of living space. And the lot size is 8,298 square feet. And we'll go outside in just a moment. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Again, it was built in 1915, California bungalow. It has amazing views. And the listed price is $799,000. There is a driveway, it's gated, and you have a carport. This listing does not have an ADU. It has engineered hardwood floors, central heating and AC, and it has amazing views from the backyard. There is a deck, and it's multi-levels going up. If you're interested in knowing more about this neighborhood, Northeast LA, you can always message me. My name is Victoria Munoz. If you have any real estate questions about moving to Northeast LA, here's my information. You can always call, text, or email me. This is Living in Northeast LA with Compass Real Estate Agent Victoria Munoz. We always try to end the video with a treat. So this time it was a treat for her. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in Northeast LA.